Does a vendor sell this kind of lip scrub? Take a look. Look at how yummy it looks. No, your vendor does not sell this kind of lip scrub. This kind of lip scrub is not common. Look at how yummy it looks. Of course, it looks yummy. It smells yummy. And right in this video, I will be telling you how you can make this lip scrub all by yourself right at home. So stick and stay, don't go away.
Beauty Bellcito. Beauty Bellcito, glow beyond glamour.
Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Mabel, and today in this video I will be telling you how you can transform your lips from dark to pink in just 3 days. If you're new here and watching me for the first time, please do well to subscribe to my channel and put on your notification bell so that you will be the first to get notified whenever I post new content. And if you are a returning subscriber, I am so much grateful for stopping by. So without much ado, let's move right into the video. Your lips can get darker as a result of smoking, sun exposure, pregnancy, too much intake of caffeine, dehydration, and a whole lot more. We also have people who have dark lips naturally. Now follow Como. So with those people, no matter what you do, their lips are dark, and even after using pink lip creams to achieve results, the lips tend to get darker after they stop. Some ladies get attracted to men or guys with pink lips. Yes, I don't know about you. Let me know right in the comment section how you think about guys with pink lips. Do you get attracted? Does it move you? Does it really look nice to you? Now, to keep your lips rosy, soft, supple all the time, this is what you need to do. Apply a lip care product. This is my lip care product, Beauty Bellcito pink lip cream, and this is fire. So this is what I use on regular basis, on daily basis, even though I am not consistent with it, but it's good. This is magic. This is all you need to achieve that hot pink lips, that rosy, succulent, hydrated pink lips. So if you have dry, chapped lips, this is going to do magic. This is going to do the complete work for you. With this pink lip product, you do not need any pink lip scrub or something. I'll show you how you can use your toothbrush and your toothpaste to scrub your lips to achieve a very perfect result. Okay, so this is what I use on regular basis, and this is how I apply just a little amount of it and then apply it on your lips like this. Voila, you are done. So you can apply and reapply. Okay, you can apply like 3 or 4 times during the day, and at night you apply it. That should be the last thing you do before you go to bed. So you apply it and you go to bed. I apply it on my lower lip only, I'm just imagining how I will look like should I apply it on the upper lip too, like the upper lip. I've not done the upper lip before, so I'm just imagining how I'm going to look like. It's going to look some way, but I advise you use your pink lip cream on your lower lip only 3 or 4 times during the day, and then at night when you are going to sleep should be the last thing you do before you go to bed. Then in the mornings when brushing your teeth, just use your toothpaste and your toothbrush to scrub your lips gently for like 30 seconds to remove any dead skin cells, because this contains citric acid, it contains vitamin C, it contains carrot oil, it contains kojic acid. So the citric acid helps exfoliate the lips, so it gets rid of dead skin cells. So you experience a mild exfoliation or peeling on your lip after using it for some time. Even within 3 days, when you apply it at night, the following day just use your tissue to wipe your lips just like this, you see dead skin cells falling. So using the brush to scrub your lips gently makes it clearer and cleaner, softer and fresher. Exfoliate your lips like every single morning, every single day. So you can use a lip scrub, or you can use a toothbrush and toothpaste to scrub your lips. Now, using the lip scrub, personally, I don't like using lip scrubs because lip scrubs are made of sugar, and sugar tends to be more abrasive on my lip, and it ends up cutting, giving me cuts and all that. So I am not too comfortable with lip scrubs, but I can still show you how to make your own lip scrub to achieve that wonderful, amazing result. So I made this lip scrub. You see, this kind of lip scrub is not common. So look at it. This is yummy. So I'm going to show you how you use your toothbrush and toothpaste to exfoliate or to scrub your lips. So just a little will do, not much. This is the toothpaste, just a little, not much. Toothpaste is a bleaching product. It makes the work easier. Okay, it helps to lighten the lips. It wouldn't be as fast as using a lip care product or a pink lip cream, but it does work, or it does help a little. So you scrub it like this in circular motion. Just be gentle, not something as if you are scrubbing the bathroom. No, you scrub it gently, so that you don't end up hurting yourself. You wash it. Okay, you wash it. Do you see anything? All right, so this takes us to how to use a lip scrub. Now, this is the lip scrub, and the weather is going down, and I just pray I finish this video before it rains, because I'm using natural light and it seems it's about to rain. So this is the lip scrub, okay? So you just fetch a little amount. You see, the pebbles in them are edible. They are sweet. Don't worry, you can still scrub with them. This is just a little amount of the scrub. You use it to scrub your lip. Scrub. You can leave it on for 5 minutes before washing off or rinsing off, okay? So again, I'm going to use the wet towel to clean my lips. This is so sweet and yummy. See how soft the lips are again? So that is how to scrub the lips or exfoliate the lips, and do it every single morning when brushing your teeth, okay? Do it every single morning to achieve a very good result. Also, if you don't want to have any issues with black lips, dark lips, chapped lips, dry lips, cracked lips and all that, you need to be very careful when selecting lip care product. Some lip care products such as lip tint, lipstick, lip gloss tend to darken the lips after some time, and so you need to know the brand you are dealing with when selecting a good product for your lip. So you need to consider healthy diet. You need to incorporate more greens, more fruit, veggies into your diet. You need to quit smoking if possible and reduce your caffeine intake. If you're addicted to smoking, I don't know how you're gonna do that, because if you're addicted to smoking, you and black lips are going to be like neighbors. They're going to be friends forever. You're going to be like 5 and 6. There's nothing you can do about it unless you get lip care products. But when you stop those lip care products or pink lip cream, trust me, your lips will still go back to factory reset. So it's either you quit smoking and maintain a healthy lifestyle and cut down on caffeine, or you just enjoy your dark, dry, smoky lips. So the decision is yours. Sun exposure is one reason your lips are getting darker. So if you can just minimize sun exposure, is going to help you. You need to drink lots of water. When you drink lots of water, your system gets hydrated all the time. Your skin plumps up. You glow from within, and glowing from within means that your lips is going to look healthy. It's going to look attractive. It's going to look yummy. like you're just going to feel all right. You feel all right, you look all right. So drink lots of water. 8 glasses of water a day, it's good. I'm not saying you should just drink 8 glasses of water at a go, at once, like sharp like that. So you can start with just a bottle, 500 ml bottle. You be sipping it. It's difficult to drink lots of water, especially when you are not moving about or engaging in any serious activities. Okay, it is very difficult. Sometimes you can just be at one place in the office and the whole day you wouldn't drink water, you wouldn't feel thirsty. It's normal, but remember that water is life. So you have to just get a water bottle, fill it every 2 hours, or you can even get a timer or a reminder on your phone. Every 2 hours you need to take a sip. If you're able to sip like every hour, if you're able to take like 250 ml, 2 hours you're taking a bottle of this, by the time the day ends, I think you would make some progress. So drinking water is very necessary. It makes you glow from inside out. So quickly, let's move to my workstation. Welcome to our workstation. Our first ingredient is white sugar. Sugar and salt are good exfoliant, and since we cannot use salt on the lips, we are going to make use of sugar. White sugar, to be precise, 150 grams. Next is grapeseed oil. Grapeseed oil is a rich source of essential fatty acids and antioxidants that help nourish the lips. It helps to keep them hydrated, soft, and supple. This can reduce the appearance of wrinkles, chapped lips, and other signs of aging. 2 teaspoons is enough. We are also going to add some vitamin E oil, 2 teaspoons. Vitamin E oil here is going to serve as a humectant to hydrate the lips and support skin barrier, making the lips smoother, plumper, and softer. We're going to add some Vaseline, and I prefer this locally made petroleum jelly. Vaseline seals in moisture, softens, soothes, and hydrates the lips. It's also going to bring the sugar granules together and give it that beautiful texture. Colorant. We will need some food color to make the final result more attractive. A few drops will do. You can also use any color of your choice. You can go for purple, pink, orange, red, blue, or any other color of your choice. Fragrance. This is the type of fragrance used in making ice creams and cakes. Grab any fragrance of your choice: strawberry, pineapple, vanilla, mango, and add just a few drops. And now, these are edible candy sprinkles. They are going to give your lip scrub a luxurious and expensive look. this is how our lip scrub turned out. What do you think about this? You can drop your comment in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching and see you in my next video.